Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to add sticky add to cart on Shopify. So let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then, from the left sidebar, select the app option. Then, search for Uplinky Sticky Cart. Uplinky Sticky Cart is a popular Shopify app that lets you add a customizable sticky add to cart button to your product pages. So, simply click on the Install button. On the next page, give the necessary permissions to the app and click on the Install button. And Uplinky app will install on your Shopify store. There's a free plan that covers basic needs, and paid plans offer additional features like advanced reporting and countdown timers. Once installed, navigate to the Uplinky Sticky Cart settings in your Shopify admin. Uplinky Sticky Cart offers a variety of customization options to make the sticky Add to Cart button perfectly match your store's branding and enhance the customer experience. You can design the button to fit your preferences by editing the text, color, and style. Choose where the button appears on your product pages for optimal placement, such as on the left, right, or bottom of the screen. Additionally, you can set the button's behavior, including the animations that play when a customer interacts with it. To gain valuable insights into how the sticky button is impacting your sales, Uplinky Sticky Cart also integrates with Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel for conversion tracking. So, adjust the settings of the app according to your preferences, and then click on the Enable button at the bottom. Then, click on the Save Changes button, and there you have it. Now visit your Shopify store. Here, you will find the Add to Cart button on the product page. That's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.